Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, for all the beach lovers out there, camping trip, bonfire, you love s'mores, this one's for you. This video is how to make a DIY s'more stick out of Kawayan, and if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. Now at the end, it should look like this. Putting a paracord on the handle would be optional, so you can see it clearly on the sand or where you put it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then here's the tip. You can slice this up some more so you can fit a lot of marshmallows in it. And there you have it. For all good. Thank you so much for watching the video. I really appreciate that. And if you did like the video, enjoyed it, or at least there's something from it, please do not forget to hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And as always, if you have any comments, questions over it, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You know, have a good one. I'll see you in our next video. Thank you so much again for watching. You take care. Bye-bye.